Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are going to explore some advanced ways to use the XLOOKUP function in Excel. We have a sample table here with 10 rows of data, showing ID, name, score, and department. We will look at 5 special examples of how you can use XLOOKUP in more powerful ways. First, let's say we want to find the last time a specific score appears in our list. For example, we want to know the name of the person who had the last score of 90. Instead of finding the first person with 90, we need the last one. We can do this with XLOOKUP by telling it to search from the bottom of the list up. We use this formula. This formula finds the last person with a score of 90, and the answer is John. Next, imagine we want to find the person with the highest score. We can use XLOOKUP combined with the max function. The max function tells us the highest score, and then XLOOKUP finds the name of the person with that score. The formula is the result is Eva, who has the highest score of 92. Now, let's find the person with the third highest score. We can do this using XLOOKUP and the large function. The large function helps us find the third largest number in a list. The formula is the answer is Bob, who has the third highest score of 90. Sometimes, we might want to look up a name based on a score that is in another cell. For example, if we type a score into cell F2, we want to find the name of the person with that score. We can use a cell reference as the search key in XLOOKUP. If we put 88 in cell F2, we'll find the name David. Finally, we can use XLOOKUP to look up information based on 2 conditions at the same time. Let's say we want to find the department where someone named Frank has a score of 90. We use a special formula that checks both the name and the score. The formula is this formula checks if the name is Frank and the score is 90, and it finds that Frank works in sales. These examples show you how powerful XLOOKUP can be. You can change the search direction, combine it with other functions, and even use multiple conditions. You can use these formulas for your own data and change them to fit your needs. Thank you for watching.